Good morning, students. I am Sweetie and I am here to deliver my speech on topic Global Day of Parents. Global Day of Parents is observed on 1st June. This day provides us with an opportunity to appreciate parents and parental figures for the important role that they play in the development of families. In this world, we can't see God, but we have parents. In India, they are considered as God. There is no substitute for parents because they do almost all the things to light a way that leads a success. They also guide and support us. Mark an achievement in society. The role of parent in a child's upbringing can never be denied. They do everything for their child and they can sacrifice their everything for child and they don't even think once. And it is the fastest decision that they make. They guard us and hence they are known as guardians. Parents are the people who carry a lot of importance in our life and there is no one else who can take their place in our lives. They selflessly think about their child by forgetting about their own life. We should be forever grateful for our parents for what they did to us. The only way to repay the parents' hard work is by making them feel proud. We never know the love of a parent till we become parents ourselves. Thank you.